Salve rapaziada, trazendo esse highlight aqui só mais pra dar um aviso que eu não vou estar jogando mais no Moto G5. Não vou estar jogando no Moto G5, então esse vai ser o último highlight no Moto G5. Eu tentei fazer um highlight bonitinho, mas não deu porque é difícil, né? A internet tá muito ruim. Então é isso, valeu, tamo junto, deixa o like no vídeo, compartilha aí pra 5 amigos, é nóis.
Nose, I'll be selling out shows. See my name up in arenas, filling seats up by the roads. No shit, yeah. I don't got time for no thought ass bitch, yeah. I just want you shotgun with the clip, real quick. I'ma pull up with my shake, ayy. Whip on ice, got myself a couple chips, ayy. Move so fast, I'ma hit you with the stick. I'ma make a couple racks, and you steady hitting licks, ayy. Nose, I'll be selling out shows. See my name up in arenas, filling seats up by the roads. No shit, yeah. I don't got time for no thought ass bitch, yeah. I just want you shotgun. Goddamn, I don't fuck with no. While they're ringing on my line, I'll be steady with the bros. Broke boys sending shots while they sipping on their toes. While they wasting on my time, all baggy with the clothes, ayy. And I'm up right now, whipping two-seater like what's up right now, yeah. Walk up in the club like I'm up right now, ayy. Bitch, don't waste my time when you down right now, ayy. Walking feel like WAP,